In this video we're going to look at the shocking truth. Yes, Donald J. Trump is the President of the United States, the 47th President, and yes, we had the inauguration, but he didn't mention a Bitcoin reserve or crypto in his speech in the inauguration, but we're going to find out why everybody is wrong and why this is actually extremely bullish, because you have to keep something in mind, and the number 47 is going to play a huge role. And we're going to look at all of these facts. We're going to look at the altcoin market, and yes, I'm going to give you 2 altcoins which you should accumulate exactly now. Yes, we opened a trade on exactly these coins, so if you want to find out more, watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe, and welcome back to B4Crypto. I want to thank each and everyone who subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate each one of you. So let's go over directly to the charts on the daily chart of Bitcoin, because yes, I told you we could expect some major volatility during this inauguration. I thought we were going to get this bullish move, but overall guys, this looks extremely bullish because we have looked at the symmetrical triangle. We saw this breakout and this retest, this perfect retest. Yes, the price movement of Bitcoin came all the way back down to this downward sloping trend, which perfectly lines up with the 100 moving average, and we stayed above the 13 and the 50 moving average, and we can even see this bullish cross. Yes, the 13 moving average crosses the 50 daily moving average, and this is extremely bullish for the price movement of Bitcoin. And yes, we can see during this inauguration, after Bitcoin formed a new all-time high exactly at the levels of $109,600, we saw this retracement all the way back down, but overall this looks extremely bullish. Yes, we can see a retest from this major breakout, which first of all is extremely bullish, and we can see that the price movement all the way from the lows that we have formed on the daily chart with this range low exactly at the $89,260, because first of all we can see the price movement has turned around, formed the double bottom exactly here, and the price movement of Bitcoin is forming highs and even higher highs, and exactly in these levels we can see that the trend has reversed and that the price movement is forming a higher low. So this looks extremely bullish for the price movement of Bitcoin. But before we're going to go over to the altcoins and the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin, we're going to look at the news, because yes, the inauguration explained in one sentence, "Father, you forgot the Bitcoin strategic reserve." But guys, yes, it is a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Do you think that these major companies, entities, states, or even nations are going to say they're going to buy before they're actually going to load up? No guys, they're going to accumulate, because it's a strategic reserve. And if he's going to say that the United States is going to hold a strategic reserve, what do you think is going to happen to the price movement of Bitcoin? Yes, if he would have mentioned yesterday that the United States is going to release a strategic Bitcoin reserve, we would have seen this major spike all the way to the 120,000, or even all the way to the 150,000. And do you think that the United States government or states, nations, whales, major entities, they want to buy all the way up here? No, they're going to load up the boat exactly here, because it's definitely not going to be a strategic reserve if he's going to tell all his plans, because ultimately guys, we can see big breaking news. The state of Utah becomes the 11th state to see a strategic Bitcoin reserve bill introduced. Yes guys, we can see that states are entering a Bitcoin reserve. This is ultimately extremely bullish, because you could expect that the United States is eventually going to transform a Bitcoin strategic reserve, and all these states in the United States, they're also going to keep a strategic reserve, because yes, Utah proposed a bill allowing up to 10% of states' funds to be invested in Bitcoin and stable coins. And this is extremely bullish guys. And yes, he didn't mention crypto, Bitcoin, or anything during the inauguration, but keep in mind, this is a strategic reserve. And all these states, major whales, they're going to front run Donald Trump with his Bitcoin strategic reserve, or even other nations like China, they're going to front run Donald Trump. And that's why I think everybody is wrong. This is not bearish that he didn't mention crypto. No, this is just going to be strategic, like the word says. And during the inauguration, just in, President Donald Trump's World Liberty Finance purchased 47 million in wrapped Bitcoin. Yes, wrapped Bitcoin is Bitcoin on the Ethereum network, and we can see that 47 for the 47th president, they bought a lot of Bitcoin. So guys, this is a major signal that Donald Trump is accumulating with his company, and ultimately this is extremely bullish for the overall crypto market. And yes, we're going to look at two coins which you should be accumulating exactly now. And the first coin we're going to look at is Solana. Solana looks extremely bullish. We have looked at this major W breakout. We saw this major pump all the way to a new all-time high, just shy of $300. We came all the way to the levels of $296, and then we saw this retracement, which once again is a major retest of this major resistance level. So this is once again bullish. The price movement moves up in stairs, and we are forming this major bullish flag. This looks extremely bullish, and if we're going to go on the 4-hour chart of Solana, we have formed this downward sloping trend, and the price movement is at the moment breaking out from this major trend. Yes guys, this could be a major pump all the way to a new all-time high of $300, and I do expect that this move is going to be extremely fast, because we've looked at all these bullish cases. Yes, it is time for altcoin season, and at the moment with this pro-crypto government and all this legislation, we're going to see a major pump. Because keep in mind, yes, Donald Trump didn't mention the Bitcoin strategic reserve, but he launched a meme coin 2 days before the inauguration. Guys, this is a major bullish signal, because yes, you're launching a meme coin. Guys, you're not holding Bitcoin as a strategic reserve. This is a major signal for the overall crypto market that crypto and meme coins, and especially all these altcoins, are here to stay under a pro-crypto government. This is going to be extremely bullish, and if you're not going to buy all the way at this levels at $240, guys, you're going to wait forever for a major retracement, because ultimately guys, all these major corporations, they're accumulating, and if you're not going to buy exactly here, you're once again going to buy the top at a new all-time high. And guys, if you're not going to hurry up, you're going to buy Solana at $500, because this move towards the upside with all these altcoins ready to explode, you're going to miss out on these major profits. Because ultimately guys, if we're going to look at the total tree market cap, this looks extremely bullish. Yes, we've formed this major cup and handle pattern, which is a bullish pattern, and if we're going to look at the breakout level exactly from the neckline, from this cup all the way to the bottom, and we're going to drag this potential breakout exactly towards the neckline, exactly here, we could expect that the overall crypto market, the total three, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, is going to reach the $2 trillion mark. And guys, I do expect that we're going to see a major pump, maybe even to the $5 trillion for the total three market cap, and this would mean that Solana is going to absolutely explode. Yes, my first price target is going to be the $1,000 US, but this is just going to be conservative in the state of a pro-crypto government. But ultimately guys, the next coin that you should be accumulating is first of all Link, because this looks extremely bullish. Once again, Link has formed this major cup and handle, and yes, this was the cup and the handle. And if we're going to look at the measured price movement exactly from the neckline all the way to the bottom for Link and drag it over to the breakout point, which was exactly here in this consolidation period where everybody was extremely fearful, round about the $19 to $20 level, we saw this major breakout. But ultimately guys, the first price target is going to be for Link. If we're going to get this breakout and break the previous highs, we're going to reach the level of $100 US, which is going to be a psychological level, and all the way from the current price movement all the way to the highs, this is going to be a move of 260%. But this is not going to be the end, because this is only going to be the beginning of a major parabolic run. And the last coin that you should be accumulating is Ondo. Yes guys, we're going to go on the lower time frames on the daily chart of Ondo, and once again we can see this downwards trend, and the price movement came all the way to the 100 moving average. We're in this accumulation phase. We're above the 13 moving average, which gives us indication, are we in a bearish or even in a bullish trend if the price movement trades above the 13 moving average. And yes guys, I do expect this fast move towards the upside, and that's why we're trading all of these moves over on BloFin. And if you want to copy all of my trades, we just opened a trade on Solana and also Ondo. Yes guys, if you're watching this show, you can open these trades if the price movement is exactly within these levels, because I'm extremely bullish on Ondo, Link, Solana, Bitcoin and the overall crypto market, because this is only going to be the beginning of a major run towards the upside. And all you need to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to watch all of my videos where I give you all this information, how to be profitable during this bull market. But guys, if you want to copy all of these trades or buy crypto on the spot market, make sure to sign up to BloFin, where you receive a major deposit bonus. But guys, you can also spend all of your crypto by signing up to REDOTPAY, where you can sign up for a virtual card which only costs $10 or even for a physical card for $100, no monthly fees. And yes guys, you can spend your crypto like fiat. But most importantly guys, on the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin, I do expect this continuation for the price movement of Bitcoin, because this looks extremely bullish. And if you always want to stay up to date, make sure to be subscribed and join my free Telegram group. But ultimately guys, now's the time to really wake up, because yes, we're still in this accumulation phase for the overall crypto market, especially for the altcoins, and we could expect this fast move for Solana, Ondo, Link, and all of these coins that we've been talking about in this channel. So make sure to be for crypto, smash up the like button, and we see each other in the next video.